Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you if you see some structure like this, right, that is based on the range by range, right, and some people will use the if functions to accomplish this. There's no problem with it, right? If you like this, you can just continue go ahead with that, right? And if your range is one range immediately followed with another range, then perhaps you might want to consider the other option, which is re rewrite this into this, right? 0, 30, 60, 90, 0, 60, 90, and the percentage, you just write beside it, right? So there are altogether two columns. We're getting something from the second columns, right? So let's say that 110, 111 days, right? So it fall under the uh, right here, right? This range, 90 days to 190. So it will be given 1%, right? So in the earlier example, right, we use the if function to determine that, and in this version, right, you can use the VLOOKUP function right here. Right? See that the VLOOKUP functions, right, take the 111 and go to this area, and then if they find the one that matching it, right, which is here 90 to 199 days, right, and it will go to the second column, right. This is why there is a second column right here. The two here represent the second column. As for true, it means that it's a approximate match. To find a approximate match in the first column, so it's zero, it just either means zero. Zero means 0 to 29 if you use the true type of VLOOKUP. And that is how we use VLOOKUP to replace these long if functions. Right? It can achieve the same result, right? I have done a comparisons, right? Everything is matched, right? No exception. So I say that you can safely use the VLOOKUP to replace this function. Okay, so right click here, right? So really just use the VLOOKUP. Again, right, this is your choice, right? If you like to use VLOOKUP, right? Your choice, right? If you want to use the nested if functions, right? Also your choice. So we have the VLOOKUP, and J3 is the same, right, which is here that we are checking on the cell number of days, right, 111, and go to here again, right, and get something, get the commission percentage from the second column right here. This is the second column right here, and finally it's a true type. So thanks for watching. So everything is possible to improve, right? If you have a new knowledge, right, you can improve. So in this sense, right, it means it gives you an idea that knowledge is power, and applying the right knowledge to real power, right? So thank you. I wish you well.